Hey guys, this is Ryan at Skyway Classics, and today we have a red Ford 65 Mustang, and we're gonna start it up here for y'all. This thing's in pristine condition. Red convertible top. This is a beautiful cherry red car. We'll take it out here and give y'all a ride. Let y'all know how it is, how she feels. Interior is in perfect condition. Come check us out at Skyway Classics in the Sarasota, Bradenton area. Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway in the 65 red Ford Mustang. Beautiful black convertible top. We're just gonna give you a little test drive. Brakes on this thing are nice, steering's nice and tight. I love the color on this car. Smooth transmission. All gauges work. Car goes straight. Just try and brake hard. Car brakes on a dime. Come here and check this car out at Skyway. This is definitely a rider. Has good pickup. Getting eyes everywhere. Beautiful interior. Come here and check us out at Skyway. We'd love to see you.